Hello everyone, in this video we are going to do the layout for our PCB. So I have disabled some layers on the screen. So just like we can see, go to object and we can see there is a rat net. So I have disabled this rat net connection to complete the layout of the circuit. So as per our block diagram, we have our GSM, LoRa, power section, debug connector, and the controller, right? So I was planning to do the layout in this way, keeping the LoRa module at right, GSM on the left, MCU in the middle, and DB9 just right here for the debug. And I'm going to keep this power connection at the upper side. Then I will define the both sides of it. Now first I'm trying to complete the layout for this GSM. So what I'm doing is I'm selecting the part here, just like if I will select any of the part, just like I have selected on the PCB this UFL connector, then we can see on this screen on this schematic it is selected. So now I place all these components. So I am on R23. So R23 is right here. So we can see when I select from the schematic, I can also select on the PCB. So I made the connection right here. So now we'll go to the board setting and we'll set some rule. So when we want to set the rules for our PCB, the one option is here. Click on it and the board setup screen will get open. Go to file, click on board setup, it will get open. And when we select like this from here, then we can also open this board setup. So I'm going to just click here and then we'll start from the upper side. So the layer we can see on the board stack up. So here is the board stack up where we can define our board size. So I want to keep the board size 1.6 mm. So that means that will be 63 mm. So it is near about 63 mm, and keeping the 4-layer board. So the first is silk screen. The material is not specified. Then there is top paste, then there is top mask, which is not specified. Then there is a core is FR4. We are going to use this FR4. Then there will be prepeg. So top copper, then there will be dielectric, that is FR4. Then second layer copper, then dielectric FR4, then third layer copper, then dielectric FR4, then bottom copper, then solder mask, solder paste, and this bottom silk screen. So we'll go to the file again, and we can also change the unit to mil and mm. So the unit is selected is mil. So I'll just go here and we can check this size. This is 1.37 copper, 1.37 copper. Okay, this is okay. And then bottom mask thickness, okay. And then this middle core, that is the prepeg. So we can see it is 20 mil. Okay, this is also 20 mil, and this is also 20 mil. So what I'm going to do is I will just change it to prepeg, and then core, and then we can define this is 18, and then let's say this is 18 point. This is the value. We'll copy it and we can check this is 56.69, and then 56.69 we'll copy it, and then we'll make it 1.4, 1.4, 1.4, 1.4, 1.4, 1.4, 1.4, 1.4, and this is okay. Now again we can check this value, copy, then into 3, copy, into 3 plus 60.89. now copy this one, okay. Now 0.39, 37008 into 2 plus this will be near about 62 ml. So I'm going to make this 0.4, 0.4, okay, 0.4, 1.4, then okay, 1.4, 18.89, 1.4, okay, 1.4, 0.4, okay. Japan 4, 1.4 mil. Okay, 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 okay. This is okay, this is okay, this is okay. And now dielectric is 4.5. We can make it 4.2, 4.2, 4.2, and then click OK. So this will be our 4-layer board, and then we'll go to board finish, copper finish. I want to select this as HL, lid free, edge connector, no. Castellated pad, no. Plated board is no. Okay, solder mask 0, mask clearance 6. Now silk skin 30, 30, or I will make it 35. Okay, text with text height for copper layer is cut. This is okay. Text variable constant. We're not going to allow this one, blind and buried via or micro via. So minimum clearance I want to keep 8, minimum track width 8, minimum annual width, okay. So I want to keep it 4 mil, minimum wire diameter 25, 8, copper to edge clearance 8, minimum through hole 8, hole to hole 8. Okay, we'll keep this as a default value, and silk skin 0. Okay, predefined size. Okay, so track width predefined size, I want to check this 8 mil, 10 mil, 15 mil, 20 mil, 40 mil. Okay, device size 2512 and 40 and 20, and this will be our 25 and 12 mil, 50 and 28 mil hole size. So this will be our wire size. And net class I want to delete this, and I want to keep this 8 mil, 8 mil, wire size 25, 12, default, okay, default, okay, custom, okay. These are the violation when after running the RC it will fetch data like this. For this statement it will give error, for this statement it will give warning, for this statement it will be ignored, just like that. So these are the way to set the rules on our board. So I'll just click OK and then press OK. So I am going to complete this layout for the GSM. So we have completed our GSM layout, and now I have placed this controller and this DB9 little close to the GSM, and now I'm completing this LoRa schematic, LoRa layout. So this is U3 and placing this R10 and then R11. I'm going to place it just right here. Press R for rotation and then place it, and then R12. R12 is right here, so R12 is pin 6, R for rotation, then place, okay, and then R13, okay, place R for rotation, and then place it, save it, and then C25, okay, C25, then C26, C24, C23, save it, C28, pin 1 and pin 8. Control plus right click, it will give you connection. So pin 1 and pin 10, and then we can see pin 8 connection to the pad 9. So and the connection will be right here for this device, and then its out pin is 5 and 4. 5 and 4 is the out pin, so I have to place it in this way, and then okay, save it, and then R10, R11 done. Okay, this point is done. Now C27 is right here, C32, C32, again I'm going to little edit this footprint, so I'm going to click this and then right click and then edit footprint. I'm going to just save this silk screen to the upper side and then save it, and then update footprint. Okay, so that I'll have extra space for this capacitor placement. So I'm just doing it for the capacitor. So this one is for pin 1 and 3 and the pin 2 as capacitor again. So okay, so pin 2 is C28 is here. Sure. Okay, I have to do some setting here, so I have to go to the properties and then edit footprint. So I have to place this just little here, save it. Yeah, now it's okay. Now I have some extra space for this capacitor placement. Okay, and now C32 is done. Now C31, okay, C29, C30, C33, R4, R16, select all, move upside, control, okay. So just press Control key on your keyboard and then right click and then click on net. So you will highlight the net of your PCB, and then if you want to release this filter, then you can just click here. Okay, R16, now this R17, R17, then R15, R15, R18. save it. Okay, now we'll check controller. So 63 pin 1, pin 1, save it. Okay, 665 pin 24, 667. So this C65 has to be in pin 1 because these are series of capacitor of 1 UF and 100 NF. So I'm just going to place it just right here with the pin 1, and then this pin 67. Now pin 67 I can place it here, and then 68, this is 68, and then 669, and then C70, okay. Now C74, okay, and then R47, and then C71. Okay, now we have placed this upper part, and now there is an lock section. So C64 near analog section. So this is analog section. It is pin 8 and pin 9. So we'll select this one and we'll select this. Okay, so I have to rotate this one to like this, and then 666. Okay, and then R46, save it, and now C61 near reset pin, then switch, and then R44. Okay, R42, R41, and then R42, R41, and then R40. Okay, now MCU part is done, LoRa section is done, and 232 is done. GSM, LoRa, GSM 232 and MCU's part is done, and LoRa is left, and power section is left. Okay, so we are gonna complete this one. And okay, so 2 resistor is also left here, so this is R45, R45. Okay, this is R45, R39. Okay, now it is done. C40. Okay, so the video is getting long, so I'm going to I will see you in my next video. So have a nice day. Bye.